here today to introduce a member of our new staff at Ben Franklin Elementary. Her name is Mrs. Herrera, and she's going to be our new counselor. So, Mrs. Herrera, tell us what you're going to do.
So I'm new to Benjamin Franklin, and I am the new counselor here at the school, and I'm very excited to be here.
Will you tell us a little bit about what a counselor does?
Sure. So a counselor is somebody who sees people who are going through a difficult time. So maybe you're dealing with losing a family member, losing a pet. Maybe there's something going on at home, lots of fighting with your siblings, or difficulties at school. Maybe you're feeling bullied. So a counselor can see students for a lot of different reasons. Maybe you're struggling with feeling depressed, or feeling sad for a long period of time, or feeling anxious, stressed. Some students that are maybe moving on to the 7th grade, to middle school, they might be worried and have a lot of anxiety about moving on. So a counselor can see students for a lot of different reasons, dealing with their feelings.
So if a student wanted to see you, what is their next step? How can they make this happen?
So a student, all they would need to do is come down to the front office and ask for a referral, and they would fill out a referral for themselves and just put in a little bit of information. And basically what I would do is I would contact your parents, make sure that it's okay with your parents that you get counseling services, and then we would start to meet following getting permission from your parents.
When a kid comes to you for help, do you keep it private, or do you get the staff and parents involved?
So we initially get the parents involved in terms of making sure that there's permission for you to see the counselor, but everything that you share in counseling is kept private. Unless that there was a situation that you told me something that made me concerned about your safety or other people's safety, and in those situations I wouldn't be able to keep the information private, but everything else is confidential when you see a counselor.
Okay, so where are you going to be set up, and what days are you here?
Great question. So I'm here Mondays, Tuesdays, and every other Wednesday, and I'm going to be located in room 1.
Cool. So, just to recap, so all a student has to do is come here, sign out a referral, you would contact their parents to make sure that it's okay for them to get counseling, then you would set up a meeting with them, and then it is kept private what you discuss.
Absolutely, yes. The other thing that I forgot to mention is that you can also make a referral. If you have a friend that you feel that they may need some counseling, they're going through a hard time, maybe they're not able to talk about it, you as a friend can also put in a referral for your friend that's having a hard time. So as that friend, you would follow the same process, which would be to come down to the office and fill out a referral for your friend. Okay?
Thank you, Mrs. Herrera, very much.
Okay, thank you.